Good morning, everybody. Well, we start with a baby rattle. And the spoon I tried to throw into the cart but didn't make it. Okay, I'm dropping the litter picker already. There is one thing cool about litter picking the same area all the time. I was just waiting for that car to pass. You could get, well, you stay on top of it, but also you get to branch out like a little bit further each time type thing. Like I'm in a parking lot kind of, and I never come in here, but I figured why not. There's like bottle caps and metal hooks and pieces of glass, rusty bottle caps. This is like a broken taillight. So, it's another Saturday, June 24th was Wednesday, and now we're Saturday. So 24, 25, 26, 27. So it's June 27th, 2026. It is not even 7 o'clock in the morning. And I'm out early again. Why? Because, okay, first we have a zip tie. First zip tie of the day. Why am I out so early? Because they are calling for 36 Celsius today. And I don't want to be outside in 36 degree weather. So I figure I will get a jump start on the litter picking and go out right away. I'm also awake, so this is a big piece of metal. So I figured, no problem. I'll just go earlier, see where we end up. Oh, McDonald's won. First McDonald's. There's a lot of bottle caps. And this is the second one I found. Like a clamp or something. Well, it's gone now. Okay, there's a can way underneath that truck, but I'm not getting that. Okay, I see a plate, fork, and bottle cap. So it's actually very nice out right now. The sun is out, but I'm in the shade. There's a cool breeze. So that's good. Oh, they're also announcing rain today. Something in the hosta plant here. Like a paper towel. And a can. Got a little light bulb. I'll put that can right here. Somebody to take it for 10 cents. That's what I usually do if you see my videos before. I'm litter picking in St. Hubert, Quebec, Canada. So our garbage is different than what other people throw away. Mostly because, in general, we have a deposit program for our cans and bottles. So people bring them back to get their money back. This used to be a big, tall field, and they actually cut it. So now I can see what's under here. So this is cool. It's nice to finally get in here, though, and clean it. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Oh, look, a pair of socks. There you go, first pair of socks. Kit Kat in here. This is all cardboard. This needs to be taken out of here. So I'm still using my new litter picker, and it works very well. It's like the best gift ever. I told my boyfriend, I said, you know what? I said, because you could consider yourself lucky. A lot of cars for not even 7 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, actually. Probably try to go out fast before it gets too hot. I told my boyfriend, I said, I'm not even like one of those girlfriends that wants like jewelry and flowers and whatever. So he buys me a litter picker and I'm all happy, which is hilarious if you think about it. Alright, there's a pile of clothes here. There was somebody sleeping on these stairs before. But I know the police got rid of them. The problem with clothes is that it's heavy because it's wet. Wet clothes is like incredibly heavy. It'll probably fill up my bag. Yeah, it's definitely going to fill up my bag. Oh, see, it's heavy already. I think I'm going to be able to lift this bag. I don't know if I'm going to be able to lift this bag, guys. Might have done a mistake. Okay guys, one bag, one can, mostly full of heavy wet clothes. Bag's pretty heavy, and yeah, already pretty fast. Alright, so we made it up to Taschereau again, which is where I didn't get to finish last time. Yeah, so we're back to the busy street with all the car parts that are broken, all the plastic hubcaps, so it's going to be loud, but I didn't get to finish last time. So I would like to get it done. But the block I need to do again is this one and behind the McDonald's and Tim Hortons, because there's just so much. Like there's a lot. So you're gonna have to I'm gonna have to get into the bushes. I'm gonna have to really get in there. And it's gonna take time. Oh, there was a earphone holder. Okay, I found a Red Bull. I always think it's funny when people come up to me. The first question they ask, like almost all the time, is, do you work for the town? And in my head, I start cracking up because, you know, I'm wearing a blue shirt and fluorescent orange shorts. It's not like I have one of those vests on or anything. So to me, I'm like, no, I don't work for the town. Like, who would work for the town and dress like I'm dressed? Which is just, I don't know, I find it funny. So I'm in a parking lot of a closed down business. Another one in the area that's closed down. And the parking lot's starting to look kind of dumpy because it's closed and I guess nobody cleans it. I mean, I would say in general, most people don't clean their business parking. I mean, some do, but I don't think it's something that gets done. So, picking up all these little bits. But it's all plastic. Straws. Wooden spoons. Cigarette butts, but I don't usually pick those up. There's too many. But I would like to get all the plastic. This Kit Kat wrapper. Kit Kat Chunky Extreme Chocolate. Oh, I haven't seen that one. I like the Kit Kat Chunky because it's like really big. Now I put that Red Bull can in there. Am I ever going to remember to bring a bag for the cans? Am I ever going to set up a box for the cans? This guy got no brain. It's like I can't remember all the time. I don't know how long I've been saying it. Oh, a Dairy Queen straw. A Dairy Queen straw in Dunn's Restaurant's bushes. So that's kind of funny. Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons again in Dunn's Restaurant stuff. It's like, okay. I'm actually supposed to eat at Dunn's today. With the family. We're supposed to have a lunch. So I'm probably going to get hamburger steak. I haven't had hamburger steak in a long time. But that won't be for a while. Oh, look. Cool Lips chewing tobacco again. How many of those have we picked up together, guys? McDonald's? We are next to McDonald's, so... Oh, what did I find? A manhole cover. Alright, that's clean. It's a big piece of metal. Yeah, we're dealing with old garbage again, guys. Garbage that's been there for a long time. Because nobody's picked it up. Oh, here we go. See? Stupid flossers. I swear. What is it, man? Ugh. Can't get away with it. Okay, somebody's eating all these like little chocolates here. All these little candies. Whoever eats those candies needs to pick up their wrappers, man. They're all over the parking lot. So I'm next to Dunn's restaurant still. And it's just getting worse the further I go into the parking lot. Why do people throw away their bottle caps? It's like, open the drink, throw away the bottle cap. Like, you never want to close your drink again. You just keep it open. Okay, I've got a hole with a bunch of stuff in it. I don't know what these are, but I'm picking them up everywhere. Okay, a Harvey's cup. A Harvey's cup in Dunn's parking lot next to McDonald's. And Harvey's is pretty far away from here, actually. I've actually never been to Harvey's, believe it or not. Catch a package in here. Next to me is McDonald's parking lot, which I'm going to do after. I'm trying to do it in sections. One section at a time. McDonald's puts in a bolt. Yeah, funny how everybody loses their bolts and screws and nuts. $1,000,000 pieces later. Has no one invented a litter picker with a counter? Is there a way I can put a counter on a litter picker? Some smart person out there figure it out. Okay? I want a litter picker with a counter. Or I want to, like, I have the litter picker, so find me a way to put a counter on it. So every time I squeeze the trigger, it counts as 1. Oh, another can. Vodka soda tangerine. Does anybody drink those things? Are they good? Somebody's drinking them. Oh, a lighter. You got a lighter. Anybody try those vodka soda tangerine drinks? I never had those in my life. I wonder if they're good. I mean, all three things sound good. I'm not really a drinker, though. By the way, if I sound funny when I talk, sometimes you might notice, it's because I always usually have a candy. It's kind of weird, but I find litter picking very dry because of this stuff. Like when you pick up this dusty stuff on the road, I find it gets everywhere. And it makes everything dry. So I like to have a candy. I'm still in the parking lot of Dunn's restaurant. That's next to the parking lot of McDonald's. And we're getting a lot of garbage here. Mostly small pieces, but I've been picking up some big stuff now. Picked up some glass. We're picking up tile. Yeah, here's broken glass. I don't like the broken glass. We got straws. We got chocolate wrappers. We got. This is the second puts in box. Nope. Nope. That one's from Tim Hortons. The other one was a puts in box. So I'm gonna see how much I can get done. Tiles again. I wonder if people will notice it's cleaner. You know? Before I started litter picking, like way before, I never noticed the garbage. I never paid attention to the garbage or the litter. And now that I pick it up, I pay more attention. Okay, there's a drink here. This is a drink that still has other stuff in it. There's fruit in it. Okay. So once I started litter picking, then I see it everywhere. And it was like such an eye-opener that I was like, it's everywhere. When you actually start noticing, it is literally everywhere. But you walk around oblivious to it all the time because it becomes so normal. It's like you're blind to it until somebody points it out, right? And then the light bulb goes off and then you're like, it's everywhere. I'm behind a bush now. There's a bunch of stuff here. We got shingles over here. All these tiny little things. All these tiny pieces. It's stuck in there forever. Five times to try and pick something up. Band-aids. I'm picking up band-aids. Oh, a plastic knife. Well, that's been a while. I don't have plastic cutlery anymore. Oh, that's that metal ring to the hubcaps. Picked up a few of those already. Okay, we have a glove. Well, we've already picked up. I should play trash bingo. Okay, litter picking bingo. So, zip tie. Check. Glove. Check. Socks. Check. A can. Check. That should give me a bingo. Should be something from McDonald's. Check. Tim Hortons. Check. Dairy Queen. Sometimes Dairy Queen and Kentucky Fried Chicken are hard to get if you're not in the area where they are. So that could be challenging. But I guess if you want it to like make sure you got it, you'd have to just walk down there. You see this? This is all gravel they put out on the ice in the winter, and they just like plow the snow. So they're just plowing all the gravel to the side, and it just builds up here with all the stuff in it that they never took out. Just have all this stuff. Okay, this is a lot of stuff here. Whatever it was some kind of box or something. Cardboard. It's like this has to all be raked back into the parking lot. It's another huge piece of tile. Soggy box. Corona. Oh, it's like full. Ooh, it smells. Okay, can. God, it smells like vinegar. It really smells like vinegar. I got 3 cans. What's up with that? Alright, what's in here? Lid. Some kind of paper. Ugh, smell stinks. Tim Hortons cup. Another lid. Ah, it really smells like vinegar. Hair scrunchie. Picking up all these little plastic strips. I don't know what they're for. I don't know if they're toothpicks. I just cleaned that grass. And it flew in. I don't know if you can see the parking lot of McDonald's. It's trashed. Oh, that was a condom. Not used. Doesn't look like it, at least. Oh. USB cable. Still a spoon. Well, guys, how many of you out there litter pick? And, you know, it could be, and I mean like just even one piece. How many of you out there pick up one piece? You know? I'm always picking up these things. Always picking up these things. It's the stuff to mark the driveways. Alright, wooden fork. Napkin, gum wrapper, let's see what we're gonna pull out of here. People dump their stuff here all the time. Bottle cap. Ooh, the rock's moving. Hamburger wrapper. Oh, another one. Oh, this one's in the ground. Okay, I'll leave that one. Garbage bag. Fry box. Lighter. It's all coffee stir sticks. They just parked their car there and dumped the sticks out. Oh, eyebrow pencil. Oop, threw it in my cart. Finding makeup now. I don't usually find makeup. Cigarettes. Butterfly hair tie. Peach mango sparkling water. So. Finding more cans now. I dumped my 2 cans somewhere. They're White Claws. I have 2 cans here. I put 3 cans down somewhere else. I'm gonna have to find them because... Oh, jumper cables. These are jumper cables for a car. Rusty. Okay, so leave these here with the jumper cables. Come back to them and get more small stuff because my bag is almost full, so I'm gonna have to go empty it. So let's look for small things. Ah, they're over here. They're over here. Get the jumper cables, get the cans, head to the garbage can. $10, $20, $30, $40. It's 50 cents, guys. All right, we're heading for the garbage. I never took the green one from last time. Okay. 10. Jumper cables are really heavy. Okay, so there's a banana peel. There's a banana peel, and we are next to an open field. So I just threw that in the field, and it could rot there. Alright, something weird. That's a golf tee. So that's kind of funny. Why would there be a golf tee? Still in McDonald's parking lot. 2 bags. Had to go empty the bag. 5 cans, 1 pair of jumping cables for a car, which has got to be the weirdest thing I found, I think. I don't know. They got rusty and somebody threw them out and didn't want them, so they got rid of them at McDonald's. It's just very strange to me. So I'm in the parking lot of McDonald's. It's probably going to be horrible. A lot of plastic, a lot of McDonald's packaging, obviously. There's a lot of cigarettes, butts that I'm not picking up. Starting to get hot. On my last battery, I'm down to 3 now. 3 batteries I bought a long time ago on Amazon that are like no-name batteries are great. Actually, and my actual GoPro battery I had, it's actually turned puffy, so I can't use it anymore. Not safe to use. I'm gonna have to get rid of it, recycle it. And I don't know, I'm due for some new batteries, well, extra batteries. I definitely need another, is it a SIM card? Is that what it's called? Yeah. So, my birthday's coming. Actually. It's about a month away. So, I asked for that stuff for my birthday. So hopefully, I'll get it. So we'll see. A lot of little stuff, eh? A lot of stuff that's just been driven into the ground for a long time. So. You know what I need? I need a drink holder on my cart. So I can, like, go get a drink if I want, you know? Like a... I don't know if you ever had that blue raspberry Sprite from McDonald's. It's really good. So I wouldn't mind having that. Maybe I'll just keep going around the edge first to start. Be easier. I know a lot of people would say don't even clean McDonald's. Right? My friend tells me don't clean McDonald's, but I'm like, you know what? I'm tired of it looking like this. I don't want it to keep looking bad. That's an Allen key. Metal Allen key. Oh, look, it's the head to one of the flossers. Stupid shit. I'll throw out their nugget dip sauce. It's kind of funny. So what do you think? McDonald's is supposed to pay an employee to do this? It's the second battery I picked up in here. Oh look, more flossing things. You eat McDonald's and you floss your teeth? Are you really worried about your health if you're eating McDonald's? Unless you just eat it every now and then. I used to eat it like crazy. Oh, another one. Jeez Louise. So annoying. So annoying. What's that? Vape. Lids and paper straw covers and the tops of nugget dip, ketchup packages. We have it all. Trying to get run over in the parking lot. You know, that would suck. Litter picker run over in McDonald's parking lot. What a way to die. Wonder how long before it gets trashed again, guys. Like everybody's, oh, it's full. Okay, whatever this red drink is, everybody gets it. Yeah, wonder how long before it gets trashed again. Crack pipe? Part of one?